Another way of measuring levels of buying and selling, or where levels of support and resistance exist, is using another indicator called a stochastic. Now a stochastic is again an indicator that sits underneath price as opposed to wrapping around price. So like the RSI, the stochastic indicator sits underneath the main price window. The standard settings are 5, 3 and 3, but again these numbers can be anything. Experiment with your stochastic. Once you click apply, so what you've got here is you've got the stochastic indicator underneath, and if we look at the chart itself, we can change one of these to white so we actually know the difference between the two, because it's obviously they're both the same color. One is the main line and one is the signal line, so you can see that they cross. Okay, so they cross each other. So you can use the stochastic in two ways. You can use it as you would with an RSI when price is above and crosses below a number. For example, you could put a line across 80 and a line across 20 or 70, 30. You can also use it to incorporate when the white line crosses the yellow. So the main line crosses the signal line. Okay, so the main line crosses the signal line. And that's how you can really use, visually use the stochastic indicator. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into Tekton now and create a strategy when the main line crosses the signal line. So let's go to Tekton. Let's delete the one we've got so far and add a new algorithm. So this time is when stochastic 533 main, so this is the main stochastic line, crosses below signal line, the action is to sell. So now we've got if stochastic main line crosses below stochastic signal line. That's basically written the algorithm for that there, that move there, that move there, that move there. Okay, we're now going to write the same thing for the buy condition. So if stochastic crosses above stochastic signal line, the action is to buy. And that's how to actually write the stochastic indicator into Tekton. You can add other conditions. For example, if you wanted to cross it below the 70 or above the 30 or 80, 20 or whatever number you want, like you do with the RSI, you can do so as well. But that's how you can use the two lines crossing each other within Tekton.